In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Telegram Premium. We'll use the official Premium bot, which works the same way on phones, tablets, and desktop, so you can follow along on any device you have. Start by opening the Telegram app. At the top of the screen, tap or click into the search bar and type Premium Bot. You are looking for the official bot dedicated to managing Telegram Premium. To make sure you've got the right one, pick the result that clearly indicates it's the official Premium bot. If you are not seeing it right away, double-check your internet connection or try updating Telegram to the latest version. Then search again. Once you are in the Premium bot chat, you'll cancel your subscription with a single command in the message field. Type the word /stop. Make sure there are no spaces before or after it, and send it as its own message. This is a built-in command the bot recognizes to begin the cancellation process. Right after you send /stop, the bot will reply with on-screen prompts. Read those prompts carefully because they guide you through confirming your cancellation. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to turn off auto-renewal for Telegram Premium. Choose the option that confirms your decision, such as yes or confirm. In some cases, you might be asked to select a reason for canceling. That's optional and won't affect the outcome. Continue following the prompts until the bot shows a final confirmation. When the cancellation is successful, the bot will send a message confirming it's been turned off. You'll usually see the date your current billing period ends. That means you'll keep all premium features until that end date. And after that, your account will automatically switch back to the free version without additional charges. If you change your mind later, you can always come back to the Premium bot and resubscribe. If the bot doesn't respond right away, give it a moment and try sending /stop again. Make sure you are in the actual Premium bot chat and not a channel or a similarly named bot. You can also close and reopen the app, then resend the command. That's it. Thanks for watching.